Okay, you want to study hydrocarbon today. See, hydrocarbon. Compounds formed by the combination of hydrogen and carbon. Hydrogen and carbon. They are basically hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is basically divided into alkane, alkene, and alkyne. There are three branches, three parts of hydrocarbon: alkane, alkene, and alkyne. This is called saturated hydrocarbon. This one is unsaturated. This is also unsaturated. There is single bond between carbon and carbon in case of saturated hydrocarbon. C and C. Here it is double bond, and this one it is triple bond. Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Saturated, unsaturated, unsaturated. Why saturated? Because there is no scope of addition of any other element. Like the first is alkane. In this series, the compounds are methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, and so on. The general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. What is N? N is the number of carbon. Suppose N equal to 1, then C1H2 into 1 plus 2. What we get? We get CH4. And this is basically methane. This one is methane. One carbon means methane. If you put N equal to 2, that is C2H2 into 2 plus 2, that is C2H6. This is known as ethane. Is that clear? In the same way, we will move. In all the compounds, we find that the name of the compound ends with ane, A-N-E. This indicates basically that the compound belongs to alkane group. Now, if you see the structural formula for these, CH4 you can write HCHH. All the bonds are fulfilled by hydrogen. Now, this is the structural formula. This is known as structural formula. In the similar way, you can form the compound's name. Now, we will say unsaturated, that is alkene. The general formula is CnH2n. CnH2n. Once again, n is the number of carbon. If n is 1, you see, suppose n equal to 1, C1H2 into 1, that is CH2, not possible. As carbon is tetravalent, not possible. Is that clear? If you find the structure of this, so it is not possible. CH, so 2 bond is still free. So in case of alkene, the minimum number of carbon must be 2. That is n equal to 2. That is C2H2 into 2. Now it is C2H4. The compound name is directly linked with what? Methane, ethane, propane, butane, that is the alkane. You must know the series of alkane. 2 carbon means ethane. Double bond indicates ene, that is alkene. So the compound name will be ethene. So the structure is C double bond. This is a structural formula of alkene, that is ethene. This is known as ethene. Is that clear? Double bond indicates ene. 2 carbon indicates ethane. So the compound name becomes ethene. See, in the similar way, you see alkyne, that is carbon-carbon triple bond. Once again, n equal to 1, not possible. If you take n equal to 2, what happens? The structure becomes C triple bond C H H. Now 2 carbon compound name is ethyne. If you take n equal to 3, the compound becomes, the structure becomes this. You can put triple bond over here as well as over here also, like C. Now 1 hydrogen can be added over here and 3 hydrogen can be added over here. So the molecular formula becomes what? C3H 1, 2, 3. Here it is fulfilled 4. C3H4. This is the molecular formula of 3 carbon means propane. Here triple bond means ine. So the compound name becomes propyne. CnH3, the compound, the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. That is C3H2 into 3 minus 2. That is C3H4. This is the molecular formula of propyne. Compound name is propyne. Here it is. The same compound is being formed. One bond is free over here. H, 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 H. Once again, this is also propyne. In this way, we have seen alkane, alkene, alkyne. In the next class, we will see the nomenclature of these compounds. That's it.